Hey, thank you very much. Welcome to Yale. Welcome to the Deep Reconstruction Workshop. So hi, my name is Chi Liu. I think most of you received some email from me regarding some notifications. It's a great pleasure to be here. It's also a great privilege to organize and host this workshop at Yale. And hopefully you will all have a good time. So before we go to dive into this workshop, as you notice, this is a fourth deep reconstruction workshop. I just want to talk a little bit about the history perspective. So back in 2017, when deep learning just started being applied to medical imaging, and Professor Ji Wan has the vision to start this deep reconstruction workshop and hosted the first one in RPI back in 2017 in November. And after that, in 2020, January, Bruno hosted in GE Global Research Center. It's both in person. And during the pandemic, Chenzheng, sorry, I don't know why this, I didn't put it here. Yeah, Chenzheng hosted the third one in MGH in a virtual format. So kind of all the GE and Bruno and Chenzheng kind of really very engaged in this planning for this year's workshop. So four of us have been meeting monthly for almost over a year to plan for the workshop. So it's a great, I really appreciate all their contributions. So, and for this workshop, we couldn't do that without all the support from Yale. And first of all, Dr. Rob Goodman is the chair of radiology. He provided funding support and for this workshop. And also we have G2 and Angel back there to provide all the IT support for Zoom and all the broadcasting. And inside the Yale Pet Center, we have Mindy just to handle all the logistics, all the food and drinks outside and all the room reservations, just everything today and tomorrow. And also Boyd, a PhD student in my group, he designed the website and handled all the registration, online registration and everything else. So without all their support, there's no way we can put this off. So, so far at this point, I checked this morning as of 10:37 a.m., we have over 70 in-person registrations and over 350 online registrations at this point. So they came from almost all over the places, and Northeast, this region still have the most registrations and website clicks. So just a little bit before we go ahead with just a few logistics. First of all, restrooms, women's restroom on that side, men's room on this side, that during the break. And for tomorrow, it will be a different location. It's in Tech 107. So it will be basically just to go out and turn right past the traffic light and the big building. When you enter that, you will see that. I will probably update the website this evening to have the exact address at the beginning of the web page. And tomorrow there will be free parking on the other side of the building. So in the parking instruction I sent out, there is some details. You can refer to that. And we will be providing breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Student reception tomorrow. So I think when we plan this workshop, all the organizing committee really want it to be, because it's the first one after COVID, we want to really kind of encourage some in-person interactions. So we try to create all those kind of socialized event period so that we can just chat beyond not just listening to the lectures. So so come here. We'll be having breakfast starting at 8 a.m. And also the first session will be FDA and NIH session, and the end will have an industry-focused session. So many people are asking about the recording. So this is a tradition for this workshop. All the lectures will be recorded and posted on the website. So this one, after this meeting, will be edited a little bit and posted on the Yale Radiology YouTube channel. And on the website this morning, I put three links to the previous presentations and videos of the previous three workshops. You can also refer to that if you want to watch the presentations back. And lastly, I'm not sure if it's just my phone, because when I look at my phone, the same thing, or kind of, it seems like the order of the presentation information either missing or kind of, just go to your, you can use your computer. It seems that loaded the website on the computer, that works fine. That gives the most accurate information. And the last thing is for internet here in Yale campus, you can log into Yale Guest. So that will give you some internet access. So with that, I'd like to turn the table to Professor Pavdimitris. He's a professor in radiology and the director of image processing and analysis group. He will be moderating this session and introduce our plenary speaker. Thanks, G.